Hi boys and girls, welcome to the first grade family night. Tonight I'm going to show you what you'll receive in your STEM kit. It's going to look something like this, with instructions for math games and a deck of cards. The game that we're going to play tonight comes with 2 games, an addition battle, which is a lot of fun, and I encourage you to read the directions and play that game with your family. But tonight we're going to look at the Make 10 game. So I'm going to go over the directions and I'm going to walk you through how to play the game. It's a fun addition game, finding different ways to make 10. See how I have these cards laid in 2 rows of 5 cards? That's what we'll do with our game. Let's start with a deck of cards. So you're going to take the cards out, and the first thing you're going to do is take all the face cards out. The ones that have faces or the jokers. We don't need those for our game, so we're going to take those out. And once we have all of our face cards removed, well, there's a lot of them. Okay, you can shuffle your cards, and I've already done that. And once you do, you're going to lay them out in 2 rows of 5 cards. 2 rows of 5 cards. So that's 2, 3, 4, and we may not have room to see. There's 5. And then I do the same thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the ace, this is the ace. The ace is worth 1 point. And the rest of the cards are worth whatever number is on them. Okay, you're going to play this game with a partner, so start with 2 rows of 5 cards, and you'll take turns trying to come up with the number 10. So if it's my turn first, I can look at these cards and say, oh wow, this card already makes 10. So I get to keep this card for myself. Now it's my partner's turn. My partner's going to look and say, are there any cards that add up to 10? Let me think. Oh, what about 8 plus 2? 8 plus 2 equals 10, so they get to keep those cards. Now it's my turn again. Let's see. Oh, I could say 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 equals 10, right? So I get to keep these cards. Now it's my partner's turn. My partner looks at all the cards and says, let me see. I could do 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10, so they get to keep those cards. Now it's my turn. 7 plus 3 equals 10, so I can keep these 2 cards. Now there's nothing left that equals 10, so we're going to take the leftover deck of cards and we're going to replace the missing cards so that we have 2 rows of 5 again with new cards. And then you keep playing until all the cards are gone. Okay, so whoever's turn it is would start all over, and let's see. Ooh, 6 plus 4 equals 10. So I'm going to keep these 2 cards. Now it's my partner's turn, and you keep going. Here's 8 plus 2. That's a good one for my partner. You play again until there's no way to make 10. Then you use the additional cards to fill in the blanks. And that's how you play Make 10. All right, boys and girls, I hope you have an amazing time tonight playing Make 10 with your family. It's a wonderful way to challenge you to practice your addition facts. Before I go, I'm going to share the Title I goals with your family. Our school's Title I goals for 2020 and 2021. Goal number 1, parent involvement. Parent and family involvement will increase by 5%. And we hope that tonight we have lots of families that are involved in our family night. Goal number 2 is literacy. Increase the mean RIT by 7 points for each grade level, fall to spring. We want our reading to go up. Goal 3, math. Increase mean RIT by 12 points for each grade level, fall to spring. Those are our family night goals, our Title I family goals, and we want you to participate when we have family activities, when we have things going on at the school. We love to see our families. So have a great time playing the game tonight, boys and girls. We'll see you later.